My tip here, I don't recommend this top mount drop-in sink because it builds a lot of bacteria for being very hard to clean your countertop surface. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diyab. I am an interior architect and this is a new video in a Ikea tour series. I will walk you through in some of great kitchen designs ideas they have already set up, and I will tell you some tips and tricks they already used if you are remodeling your kitchen or you have a really small space and you have no clue how to create a proper design for it. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button below the video and the small bell next to it to get all the notifications every time I upload new ones. So let's get started. Well, in this kitchen, they used a monochromatic colors, different shades of gray. And this waterfall countertop for the island table, it's very trendy in 2020 and 2021. But this one, it cost a lot, not only for the material, but for the labor, because they need to make it very correct with this angle I just showed you. So you need to keep in mind the Ikea prices doesn't include installation and labor. So this is only for the kitchen you buy. And of course you can apply this design on any materials you want to use on your countertop. And I highly recommend this undermount sink in your kitchen because it's gonna make it way easier when you clean your countertop. Nothing gonna stick between your surface and the edge of your sink. I like this pull-out waste basket. It should hold 2 pins. It's very easy to use and it gives a clean, simple design. And actually I like the light in the drawers when you open it. It's a very great idea. A very important tip here. To keep your traffic flow smooth when you try to design your kitchen, you need to consider the working triangle. It's between the sink and the stove and your refrigerator. The sum of the 3 sides of the triangle shouldn't exceed 26 feet, and each leg measure between 4 and 9 feet. Maybe the only thing I don't like in this kitchen, the European wall cabinet, it's give a hard time for the people who are less than 5'4". They're gonna have a hard time when they open and close it, especially close it, because as you see, you have to stretch your arm very high to grab it down again. Another kitchen design here with the white color and the gray for the backsplash. And this design has L shape for the countertop and the base cabinet. It depends on your design and your space. If you have a small kitchen or sometimes like a rectangle one, so you don't have to use a U shape for your cabinets. You can use shelves or a stand instead to show off your kitchenwares, utensils, baskets, or anything you have you think it's pretty. And for lighting, you need to consider that you design your light correctly in your kitchen, like a task light on your island table or workspace, a good light on the stove and fridge, the countertop. Also, you have under cabinet light. It doesn't consider a task light. It's like a mood light, so it doesn't help if you want to lighting up your kitchen and for functional use. For proper light for the kitchen, you can use the tracking light or the pendant light, or you can hang these long pendant from your ceiling right above your island table. For this one, it's not a complete kitchen, it just show one side of it, but it helps a lot of showing the idea of how to use your vertical space if you have a very small space for your kitchen. So here you can use the wall behind the sink as a very light shelves, and you show your stuff also, and still you can use a wall cabinet with 18 inches width. It still can hold a decent amount of your stuff. My tip here, I don't recommend this top mount drop-in sink because it builds a lot of bacteria for being very hard to clean your countertop surface. One more thing I need you to keep in mind, that IKEA doesn't use solid wood for their construction. So all the cabinets and even the countertop, like here in this kitchen, they are not made from solid wood. It's chipboards or particle board. That's why IKEA stuff doesn't last that long time. However, I like their designs a lot. Okay guys, we came to the end of the video today and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button below the video and the small bell next to it to get all the notifications every time I upload new one. I also sell some cool and unique design for t-shirts and products. If you are interested, check out my store link in the description box. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.